Hello and welcome to the first video of the limited slip car reviews. Today I will be reviewing this 2006 Ford Mondeo Estate MK3 with 2-liter diesel engine and 115 horsepower. And this particular car has more than 200,000 kilometers. The power may not seem much on today's standards, but you can still get a bunch of torque from the 2-liter turbo diesel engine and enjoy overtaking the vehicles in front of you or accelerating to high speeds without downshifting. This size of family cars, especially from those years, aren't known as fun to drive vehicles, but it's a different story for the Ford Mondeo MK3. Vehicle dynamics attributes are better than most of its rivals from those years. You will have a quick steering response, both at on and off-center steering inputs, and a well-defined steering center feel, so you can enjoy the satisfying drive if you are a keen driver as well. Hydraulic power assistant steering system gives you a nice torque build-up feel, unlike the artificial torque feel coming from the most electric assistant power steering systems nowadays. You can also experience a pleasant ride and comfort quality, even if you run on 18-inch wheels and low-profile tires like on this car. In interior, you can find a very good and low driving position with a close approach to the 4-way adjustable steering wheel, an excellent rear head and legroom, and a very large and easy to load boot space gives a family the area all they need. A good layout of controls on the dashboard with good ergonomy and an overall solid build quality which doesn't make any rattles after those years complete the package. Maybe the biggest downside of this car was the depreciation, but nowadays you can buy these vehicles very cheap, so the purchasing price is on your side after its heavily lost value. Also, parts are not expensive, so it's cheap to run as well. So, if what you need is a spacious and a reliable family car, which is also fun to drive and cheap to maintain, then Ford Mondeo MK3 is just for you. I will be waiting for your comments and questions below, and see you on the next video.